Hello guys, Colonel Ninny here.
This is the heading indicator, and it is the most critical tool in getting you to and from your target. Learning to use your heading indicator properly will always ensure that you know where you are in relation to your target. And even on a sunny day like this, it's very easy to make a mistake and head in the wrong direction. So today what we're going to do is look at what to do if you get lost of your target, and a basic method that will prevent you from getting lost in the first place. This is another very short 4-minute sortie from Yanta to Lupino, where we're going to attack a military installation in a field. Our basic heading is southeast, which is correct. There's an airfield up ahead, just on the other side of a town. There's another small town to our right, and you can see ahead the facility in the field. Instead of attacking on this run, I want to see what kind of facility it is and whether there's any anti-aircraft fire, which there is. I just have to decide how to attack this target. I do a few jiggles left and right to try and confuse the gunners and not be an easy target. But in all the excitement, I have neglected to choose the heading to the target. And now at this moment, I have lost my target. And all of a sudden, every little field and road looks exactly the same as the next one. Ah, wait, there's the small town, so the target should be in the field just in front of it. And if I didn't have the icon on the map to tell me exactly where I am, I'd have to figure it out myself. I'm heading completely in the wrong direction from my target. I hope nobody was watching. And all this would have been alleviated if I had known what my reciprocal heading was going to be. In other words, the heading that I was going to take as soon as I passed my target and had to head back to it. If a heading of southeast took me to the target, a 180-degree difference to take me back to the target would be basically northwest. My error has placed me to the southeast of the target, so I have to turn in the heading of northwest to get back to that target. Here I'm heading north and looking to the northwest, and there's the target. And we confirm that that is the target we want by looking at the map. So, heading roughly northwest, we make our attack run. We're always looking to be one step ahead. What is my heading after the attack back to my airfield? I really don't want to be circling around to get back to my airfield through all the anti-aircraft fire. In this case, good hits, and now it's time to head straight home on a heading of about northwest. And does northwest make sense? On this next clip, we're going to look at a maneuver called the teardrop. We'll fly a heading to the attack of about 025, and after the attack we're going to do a left-hand turn of about 45 degrees to a heading of 340. We'll fly straight on that heading for a short period, then we'll do a right-hand turn. We'll do a full turn through 180 degrees, which will bring us around to about 200 degrees, and that will put the target back in front of us again. And here we go. The target is a train on a heading of 025. After the attack, we're looking for a left turn to 340. no flack, straight ahead. Right turn now all the way around to 200 or 210 degrees. Now there is no doubt as to where my target is. It's behind me to the right. Confirming my heading is still coming around with 90 degrees to go. And as I level off, I should have my 210. And there are several variations of these types of teardrop turns. Just practice which works for you. So my heading here is roughly 210. If I do a loop and come over 180 degrees to a heading of 030, that'll put me exactly back on track again. And there you go, 030. One minor problem here. You will have to excuse me as I head towards my friendly lines and bail out. And I guess this concludes the lesson for today. So thanks for watching, guys. You can check out my other video on precision turns if you want more details, and a host of other tutorials on my channel. Oh geez, there goes my Gatorade and my power bar. Still, I wonder what they're serving at the POW restaurant tonight.
If you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please